Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you on how to add Amazon affiliate links on TikTok 2024. So of course, the first thing you need to have is your TikTok account. So as you can see here, so you need to make it as a business account. So for you to add your bio here for your affiliate link. So here, you also need to have this website. So you need to create your own link tree. So as you can see here, in order for you to just copy the link. And then what you need to do here is to edit your profile here. And then here, you need to put the link here on your bio. So you just need to add some phrase like check my link here. So in this link here, guys, is all your Amazon products that you want to affiliate is here on your link. So as you can see here, check my products here, and then that is my link. You just need to copy paste it. And for example, to that one, guys, is this one. So you need to have your own affiliate account. So as you can see here, you need to first sign in to your Amazon Associate programs. And then here, you search for a product you want to promote. Then you just need to click the get link option. And on the top of the bar, copy your unique affiliate link. Remember, this is the link you'll share on your TikTok. So here, as you can see here, once you open the TikTok and go to your profile, you can now edit it. As you can see here, you can also promote to post your affiliate link here, guys. So you just need to post something on your TikTok and then just add on your bio to don't forget to visit your profile and then go to your link. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and hit the follow button for more tips.